Hi everyone, thank you for watching. In today's video, we're opening up my Boxycharm Premium for October. I also try on some of the items in today's box, so I'll insert clips from that. And then after the unboxing, I will quickly review the products from September. So before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, especially beauty boxes like Boxycharm, and I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. But now back to the box. So I will leave the dimensions and the weight of my box on the screen and down in the description box in case you are waiting on yours and have shipping information. I open it up. This is what it looks like. The theme for October is Candy Shop. And right on here, there is a reminder that the online pop-up starts on November 10th. And this is crazy. For the first time in a while, I received variation number 1. So Boxycharm Premium is the $35 box, and you usually get like 6 to 7 products. I believe we got 6 today. Yep, so 2 of the 6 were skincare, so I didn't get a chance to use those. So let's start with those, and then we'll get into the makeup that I tried on today. So the first is a Murad product, and this is the Hydrating Toner. I do like Murad products, and I am curious to try this. So it says Ultra Hydrating Alcohol-Free Toner instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefit of treatments that follow. And this has a retail value of $35. And then the second item here is by GoTo. I'm not sure I've ever heard of this brand before, but this is their exfoliating swipies, foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin, and you get 50 pads in here. And these also cost $35, so we got 2 items worth like what I spent on the box alone. So these are single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution that get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. I haven't talked all day yet until now, so my voice is like kind of off, but now let's move on. Oh, at first I thought I was missing an item. I just didn't put it back in the box. So the first item I tried today was a palette, and this is by Illuminati, and this is in collaboration with Isabel Bedoya. I'm not sure who that is, but this is what the palette looks like. There is a mirror, and then here are the shades. So I kind of went in with a decent amount of shades today. So first I set my eyes with this white shade. I like to do that, so I was happy that was in the palette. So I used my MAC Painterly paint pot to prime my eyes like usual. I'm trying to use it up since it's not cruelty free. So then I went in with that white shade Colombiana. And then after that I went in with this light purple shade, Purple Haze. Whenever I see purples in a palette, I just let me use them usually. So I put that all through my crease, and then after that I went in with this like brownish purple shade Trust and put that in my outer corner. And then there's this pretty like shimmer Purple Dream that's right next to Purple Haze I wanted to use, but when I swatched it on my hand, like right before I planned on using it, it looks more like a glitter topper type shade. So first I ended up going in with this gold shimmer called Rich, and I used my finger and put that all over my lid, and I didn't get any fallout with the matte shades, but with the shimmers, even with using my finger, I did get some, like a lot of glitter fallout on my face, under my eyes. So if you guys get this palette, I would definitely suggest you doing your eyes first before your base makeup. But then after I used Rich, I used Purple Dream all over my eyes, and I felt like I just like kind of lost that like deeper shade Trust in the outer corner. So I went in with Azul and used my finger and put that in, and honestly I feel like I lost a lot of the shades, but the ultimate look I do like. You could still see that purple and the shimmer on my eyelids, and yeah, at first I wasn't really happy with it, but right now looking in the mirror I do like how it looks. I'm afraid that I'll get glitter all over my face within a few hours, but as of right now, like after I cleaned it up, it looks okay. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about this palette. I have to play with it some more and try out some of the other shades, like this light blue and that green on top really look are like calling my name too. So yeah, so I use the palette. And this palette is $48. And then the next thing I got is by Kosas, and I totally forgot to customize my box this month. So all of the items for customization, I guess, were by Kosas, and I was hoping I would get something I don't already have, but of course I got an item that I already own in my collection, and this is the tinted face oil in the shade 2. And like I said, I already have this, and I have it in the shade 2 already, so Boxycharm actually got the shade right on their own, which is nice. So I've had this for a while, and I honestly like forgot what I thought about it. I was watching someone's like favorites video or something recently. I think it was Smokey Girl, and she said she really liked this, was gonna like wear it on her wedding day, and I was like, I don't remember liking it that much. So of course I tried it on today. So I was doing a little bit of research, since this is like a face oil, it like has skincare and some coverage. I was like, I wonder what kind of primer I should use, because I knew there was like some kind of primer you're not supposed to use with it, and it says don't use this with any silicone based primer. So I use a mineral sunscreen as my primer. They actually suggested doing that, and I wanted to put sunscreen on anyways, so I used just sunscreen and use any other primers after that like I usually do, and then I use my fingers and put this all over my face. I show you guys how it looks, like half my face with it on and half without. They claim you get medium coverage, but I would say light coverage. Like you can definitely still see my blemishes and some redness. But overall, the finish does look pretty nice. I don't really love how it looks around my nose. And my chin still looks a little bit red, but I did like whack it with my fan on accident when after I put setting spray on. So I think that's why. If I even like touch my skin, I get red. So if it looks a little pink there, I'm guessing that's why. So I think this is a good like everyday foundation. Like overall, I don't mind how it looks, but for like filming and stuff like that, which is really like what I do when I put on makeup, it's like for the intention of filming YouTube videos. I don't know if I would reach for this, so I don't really think I need a backup. So I might like sell this one or do something, give it to someone. Because I still have like pretty much a full foundation here, and I don't, you know, like I said, I don't think I need a backup of it because I've had it for a while and I haven't used it like at all. But anyways, this Kosas tinted face oil is $42. Then the next product I received, I was really happy to get this. This is by Fenty Beauty, and it is their Brow MVP. It's an ultra fine brow pencil and styler, and I got it in the shade light brown. So again, I got the correct shade, and I think I really like how it looks. So like the name suggests, it is just like a really fine pencil, and then that's on one side, and the other side, instead of a spoolie, it has this like little brush. It kind of looks like a mini toothbrush, which is interesting. So I don't think I filmed myself using the little brush, but I did show you guys like putting this on one of my eyebrows and compared it to my eyebrow without anything on, and I do like how it looks. I think it's a good shade match. It was super easy to use. And like I said, I did use that like brow brush after I put it on, just to like kind of disperse the product, I guess. I didn't really need to, so I don't know. I guess it works the same as a spoolie. I don't have super long brow hairs or anything like that, so whatever. I mean, it doesn't did the job, I guess. But yeah, I really like this. I'm glad I got it in the correct shade, and I like how the shade looks on me, and I'm going to continue using this, so definitely a win. And this brow pencil is $20. And then the last product in the box is the lip product I'm wearing right now. It's by Laura Geller. This is their 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color in Love Blush. When I first saw this, I was like, oh gosh, this is like way too light of a pink, but I kind of like how it looks. So I did line my lips beforehand. I wasn't sure if I could find like an exact lip liner color, but I found one that's slightly darker, but was a good match. This is the Karl Lagerfeld in Maloko pencil in the shade, I don't know, maybe it's just their collaboration's the name, but yeah, so I line my lips and then I put this on. It's really comfortable. My lips are like a little dry right now. It did dry down completely, but I don't like feel it at all. It's comfortable, so I actually do like this, and I don't think I have many colors like this. Oh, God, I just dropped it. So yeah, first, like, I didn't think I liked the color, and then I tried it on, and I did like it, so that's why it's always like nice to try out your makeup. Like, it could surprise you. And this is $21. So overall, I got 6 products, and the total retail value came out to be $201. So overall, I am happy with this box. I am the most excited about the Fenty brow pencil, the lippy. The skincare products sound great too. I think it's great that we got Kosas products in our box, but yeah, I don't know if I'm going to keep this one, but it did like make me like get out my current foundation I had already and use that because I kind of forgot about it. And the palette's just okay. I'm gonna have to try it some more, but yeah, that brow pencil definitely is my favorite. So I would love to know what you guys got in your Boxycharm Premium. Are we box twins? If not, what did you get? Or are you still waiting on your box? I would love to hear from you. But now let's quickly do a review of last month's Boxycharm Premium. So I didn't go and grab everything, but I do have the card here in front of me. So the September theme was Glam Vibes only. And again, we received 6 items, and I did not keep all of them, but the items I did keep, which is half of the box, I like all of them a lot, so I feel like I did get my money's worth, but yeah, I did give away half. So the ones I gave away were the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil, the Kitsch Ice Roller, and the Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. Just because I did not need any of those. I already have them in my collection. I thought they could go to a better home. So my favorite item was this palette here. This is by Eloise, and it's the Queen palette, and I wanted to reach into this like as a companion palette so bad today for the Illuminati and Issa palette. I just think this is so pretty. And another item I received is by Marc Jacobs. It's actually just right behind me, I think. Yeah, this is my other favorite, and these go really well together. They complement each other. I love this Marc Jacobs gloss. It's really pigmented, it's non-sticky, the color lasts forever, and I received it in the Raspberry Beret Enamored lip gloss. It's the Raspberry Beret Enamored High Shine lip gloss. I love this, and it makes me want to get it in other shades, and I love the palette. And then the other item I kept is in my bathroom, and it's the Ola Hendrickson, the like baby face, or was it fat? Why did I say baby face? I don't know where that came from. The Fat Glow Facial. I have no idea where baby face came from. But I've used that like twice a week, and I do really like it. So it has some AHAs in it. You just like wear it on your face for like 10 to 15 minutes, and I do feel like my skin does like feel softer and look more glowy afterwards. So I'm gonna continue using that. And that alone was $50. The palette was $46, and then this gloss was $29. Sorry, I'm getting a little excited. So overall, I gave away 3 of the items last month, but the 3 I kept had a really high value, and I really liked them. So overall, last month was great. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Again, let me know what you think about this month, and also last month too. Like after using your products all month, are you happy, unhappy? Because I know sometimes like my feelings can change from my first impressions in these videos. That's why I like to update you the following month when I get to use the products more. But yeah, so that's it today. Thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me, trying out the products. And thank you so much to my channel members. If you want to learn about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn more and join. So thank you again. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.